to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you clicking on today's video. As you can see by the title of the video, in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to thread your machine. Alright, so let's get right into the video, guys. So I already have my thread on my thread holder. The thread stopper here to stop your thread. It comes on the side, you just slide it in there. Make sure your thread is on here with the thread facing towards, coming towards out the back. Behind your machine, there's a hook that I will show you in just a minute. You're going to then grab your thread it behind here. You will see just in just a minute when I give you a closer up. There is a little rectangle looking thing back here. It's like a small metal plate. Then you will bring your thread down and into this hoop. You will hoop it, you will hoop it, you will loop it up. Up through a loop that I will show you in just a minute. See, now it's in the loop. You're going to then bring your thread down. At this point, you're then going to grab your thread with 2 fingers. Bring it, you're going to slide it between this small metal plate and the rest of this over here. You're going to grab it, slide it all the way until it goes towards the back. The first time I did this, I thought the thread was in, but it wasn't. So you just have to make sure it goes in there. Then you're going to grab your thread. See, now I know that it's in there. You're going to grab your thread, cut the extra, and then you're going to thread your needle from the front to the back. Put it in through your foot and slide it in there, and then just bring it towards the back. For watching. If you stuck around all the way through this video, you're a real one. And if you definitely learned anything from this video, which I hope you did because that was the whole point of this video. If you're a new beginner and you're beginning to sew, let me know in the comments as well, because so am I, and we can talk, collaborate, teach each other a few things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss my next video, and follow me on my social medias. Yeah, that concludes today's video. My next video will be on how to load in your bobbin, so keep an eye on that, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget how dope you are, and always stay true to yourself. Peace.